Hi everyone, my name is Sheetal and I will help you to improve your English. If you are struggling to learn English, then this channel is only for you. Let's start today's class. So, if you want to improve your English, you don't need to know more words, but you need to know more sentences. And if you know just little grammar or structure of the sentences, then you can easily frame new sentences in your brain. So firstly, what you have to do, you do not have to memorize all words. What you need to know proper structure of the sentences. So let's get started today's class. So firstly, I would suggest that if you are beginner, then start from simple sentences like use of can. Let's understand with example. First one is, if you want to say that you can read a book, इसका मतलब है आप किताब पढ़ सकते हैं. मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ, I can go there. मैं यहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ, I can sit here. मैं वहाँ नहीं जा सकती, I can not go there. मैं पढ़ा सकती हूँ, आई कैन टीच. मैं कहीं भी पढ़ा सकती हूँ, आई कैन टीच एनीवेयर. मैं कहीं भी जा सकती हूँ, आई कैन गो एनीवेयर. So in this way you can make sentences very easily. So firstly, just learn five words each day and start make sentences your own. Because if you will not make sentences and you are memorizing every day thousands of words, then you will not be able to speak fluently. But if you are learning two words and you are making simple sentences and you are practicing daily, then you will see that how much you have improved. And one I also learned English by myself. So I have better understanding that how can you understand easily and how can you learn English by yourself. So that what is your weakness? Is your weakness What is your weakness? Is your weakness confidence? Is your weakness grammar rules? Whatever it is. Firstly, whatever you are speaking, just speak confidently. Because if you are making mistakes and your confidence is genuine and your confidence is good, then your mistakes will not be noticed. But if you are using very fancy words and your confidence is very low, then everyone will notice your mistakes. So boost your confidence every day. So today we have learned use of can. Now just learn some more examples. So next one is use of want. If you are if you are if you are if you want to if you want to practice if you want to practice yourself, then you can start with want. use of want का मतलब होता है चाहना. जैसे मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहती हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू गो देयर. मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं जाना चाहती, आई नेवर वॉन्ट टू गो देयर. आई डू नॉट मैं वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहती, आई डू नॉट गो देयर. मैं पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू स्टडी. मैं एक इंग्लिश ट्रेनर बनना चाहती हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ इंग्लिश ट्रेनर. मैं सक्सेसफुल बनना चाहती हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. मैं सक्सेसफुल बनना चाहती हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. मैं अब नाउ इट्स योर टर्न. व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम और व्हाट डू यू वांट. just make 10 sentences just make a 10 sentence list and try to practice yourself, and you will see that how much you have improved. So today we have learned too many things, and if you are using simple words day by day, and you are not using complex sentences, then it will not help you. Because if you are a beginner, then you can start with simple and easy sentences. But you are, if you are good in if you are good, if you think that you can understand easily and you can make every sentences, then you have to make some complex sentences. So let's understand. I have faced many difficulties while learning English, because I didn't have a proper environment, and still I started learning.